Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the last session, we had discussed logical operators and assignment operators. In this session, we will discuss increment and decrement operators. These increment and decrement operators comes under unary operator. What do you mean by unary operator? To perform an operation, it requires single operand. It requires single operand, that is called unary operator. Generally, these increment and decrement operators mostly used in the loops. Either while loop, for loop, or do while loop, we are using these increment operators extensively. These are divided into two categories: pre and post. Pre and post, that is pre-increment, post-increment, or pre-decrement, post-decrement. Post-decrement. First, I will explain the pre-increment. So, pre-increment in the sense, here before going to this one, what are the symbols? Either pre-increment or post-increment. The symbol we are using is plus plus. For decrement, the symbol we are using is decrement, minus minus. The meaning is the increment operator increments the value by 1. That is, for each increment, that is each plus plus, the value of the operand is incremented by 1. For decrement, the value is decremented by 1. Increment, the value is incremented by 1. For decrement, the value is decremented by 1. In pre-increment, the syntax is plus plus operand. Some operand or some expression. So simple term. First performs increment. First performs increment and then perform remaining operations. In pre-increment, first it performs increment operation and then perform remaining operations. For example, A is equal to 5. Assume A is equal to 5. First, I will explain the simple thing. Plus plus A. What is the value of A? Value of A is incremented by 1. That is 6. That is 6. Suppose, same example, in different manner, A is equal to 5. B is equal to plus plus A. What happens? In the previous one, we have only one operator, that is plus plus. But coming the same example, A is equal to 5, but here we have two operators. One is assignment operator and another one is increment operator. Observe, what is the pre-increment? Pre-increment means the plus plus is placed before the operand. So in this case, this is called pre-increment. What happens? First performs the increment. That means first the value of A is incremented. That means A value becomes 6. And then perform the remaining operation. For this example, what is another operation? Another operation is equal to, that means assignment. The value of updated A is assigned to B. That means B value is equal to 6. You got it? This is the pre-increment. Exactly. Pre-decrement. Pre-decrement in the sense, the same concept. But instead of plus plus, we are using minus minus. So A is equal to 5. Minus minus A, that means A value becomes 4. If it contains single operator, only unary, that means not a problem. The same case, A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus minus A. First it performs the decrement operation. A is equal to 4 and then b is equal to 4. Now, what is the second case? The second case is post. The name specifies. Pre means the first thing, post means the last one. Post increment and decrement. So, plus plus, this is the increment, minus minus, this is the decrement. For post increment, the syntax is operand plus plus. For post decrement, operand minus minus. Observe, in pre, first plus plus followed by operand. In post, first operand followed by plus plus. Exactly the reverse one. What is the reverse one? In the expression, first evaluates all the operators and at last evaluates the increment or decrement. That means the post increment or post decrement. For example, a is equal to 5, a plus plus. What is the value of a? A is equal to 6. That means if you have only a single operator, if you have only a single operator, both pre-increment and post-increment are same. Both pre-increment and post-increment are same, or a is equal to 5, a minus minus, a value is equal to 4. That is minus minus a is equal to a minus minus. When the difference occurred, if the expression contains more than one operator, see this one, a is equal to 5, b is equal to a plus plus. Now what happens? First to evaluate all the operators. What are the two operators? Assignment and post. First, the value of a is assigned to b. So, b is equal to 5. And then perform the increment operation. A value is equal to 6. Similarly, a is equal to 5. B is equal to a minus minus. The value of a is assigned to b. B is equal to 5 and a is equal to 4. So, these are the increment and decrement operators. Observe the difference between pre and post. If you observe the difference, then it is very easy. Okay. If you have only single operator, you can write anything. That is completely your wish. You can write either post or pre. Both produces the same result. When there is a difference, if it contains more than one operator, the difference occurs. Okay. In the next session, we will discuss conditional operator. Thank you.